In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find all screenshots on your iPhone's camera roll. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then tap right here at that icon to head over to Albums. Then if we scroll down, we'll be able to find that Screenshots album. That is auto-generated album in which your device put all the screenshots. So your iPhone analyzes all the images in your camera roll, and if it detects some image that looks like that, it will put that image to Screenshots album, and then we'll be able to get into it to see all the images that looks like screenshot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.